Alright, you ready to go? Come on. You can try and sit first, okay? How are you gonna put your feet? Put your feet here. And here, okay? And here. Can you keep your feet there?
It's too circle.
Okay, then you put your feet on my feet. Can you put your feet on my feet?
Which one is another one?
What?
Where's your other feet?
What?
Your other.
Wait, let me try first, okay?
Ouch.
Can you lean forward? Okay, like that. Are you okay?
No.
No?
Yeah, okay.
Are you ready? You put your feet on my feet, okay?
Where's your feet?
Just find my feet. Wow! Sorry! Whoa! Sorry! Another one! Whoa! There we're going down! Woohoo!
We're going down again!
Roller coaster time!
Wow! We're going down the way!
Careful!
Wow! Wow! What the? Wow, I'm saying
Come on. Take off your shoes, alright? Let me turn off your camera. Come here. Gotta take off my shoes too. Alright. This is Daddy's boot and this is Mimi's boot. Which one is bigger, me? Are you sure? Go inside. Oh, sit. It's okay. Okay, here, I'm gonna move the bike back first. You're okay?
Yeah. Wow, this is fun.
Careful! Road bump again.
Ooh, there's a Hello Kitty picture at the car. Look, Daddy, look. There's a Hello Kitty picture
I see
on
it.
that car.
I see it. We're home!
Yay.
Yay, we're home! You happy you had fun today? You go to the dentist? Yeah, you got ice cream, yeah? High five. Ooh, top blow.